Hello everyone, it's Shaminur here from Tech Tested channel, and today we are in the Envato marketplace, and there is a big deal and there is a biggest offer from Envato Element now. In this Envato Element cyber sale are running at not, or this cyber sale in the annual plan. Actually, the annual plan normally are $16.50 per month. Now in this 25% sale off in $12.38, and annually is $148.50 is the better result for these Envato Elements, the 25% offer, and these deals are only the December 2. Then hurry to buy this from this my description links, and I get an affiliate commission. And now I can generate. Here is the generation inverter element for image generation. When I buy this the 1 year subscription, unlimited image generation from image gen. This is the image gen. Image, then here the describe your image, upload your image reference, add a visual style. You can edit your visual style. There is a lot of pre-made style here, as photography, artistic, my style, cap, capsule, and three variation here, six variations. You can here check your variations, and image generations are very easy for unlimited. For your simple prompt and image are generated from this. In this image generation, image edit with nano banana. You can image here, just go into the upload or image, or generate with AI image or graphics explore library. This Google View Nano Banana also generated an video with image edit. For here mockup generation, here is can you can create drag and drop PNG, JPG, EPG website and mockup your personal mockup your design logo or anything, t-shirt for poster packaging, even billboards. You can upload, create AI and select from our library. And video gen, also you can create a video generation from this AI video generation, generate emails since the latest AI video. Here is the prompt here. You can paste your prompt and select your aspect ratio for shorts or YouTube videos or reels, TikTok. A lot of options, sound and spaces are not, and now not into the estimate AI. Enhance, use AI to enhance your prompt to generate better result. Also you can prompt here to the better result. And music generation, you can generate your music lyrics or generate your mood, change your mood, angry or genre, theme, tempo and energy. Voice gen, you can change your voice for your avatar, moderate or slow, moderate and fast. Select your voice ML, and there is a lot of voice also ready made. Also you can generate your own sound gen. Turn words into waves. Sound gen, here is the light to length, influence and infinite. Graphic gen, creative style, choose up to two still uploaded image. We can generator for graphics, and all are these the image gen, mockup gen, video gen, music gen, voice gens all related to. You can in your any e-commerce or blog or your YouTube channel, anything you can choose here for. You can create is this unlimited for only annual subscription, or also you can check it for your monthly subscription just for 25% offer $12.38 for the monthly unlimited generated for your imagination. Now I can go here into the image generation, and here in the chat gpt I can generate some prompt from chat gpt. Copy Black Friday sale thumbnail. I can just randomly select it from into the randomly created from this the prompt into the chat gpt. Now I am select from into the image generation, edit image generation, and this presents a modern YouTube thumbnail design featuring a bold Black Friday sale theme. Copy maker, espresso machine, accessories are arranged, and white label black background. Big rate discount tax 45%. High contrast, sharp text, bright lightning, minimalist layout, bold headline, Black Friday coffee deals. There was an coffee deals, Black Friday deals from my coffee. And now here in the generate, from generate, also enhance prompt, I can enhancing this prompt for AI in this image section. Now I am generate, click the generate option, and here is the in the video gen. I also and create a video gen for this Black Friday deal coffee deal promo video, dynamic promotional video showcasing Black Friday deal. Here is the option, you can get your promo, dynamic promotional video showcasing Black Friday coffee maker up to 45%, fast cards, bold text animated, product shots of espresso machine, modern kitchen background, upbeat music feel, clean motion graphic, and black and red scene. And this is for short, I think it's 9 is to 16, our expectation is better. And generate for, and this prompt are enhanced and not enhanced for this time, and generate for 4. Here is the my as per Black Friday YouTube thumbnail design. Look at this design are, three design has been created for me. Black Friday coffee 45% or 45%. Let's look the copy espresso Black Friday deals 45% also. This also, and this also AI look like AI, but this is are very much gorgeous. And this also, I think, and here is the download option. You can download this from imagination, and also you can enhance your prompt from this. I can this prompt are here. Here is the improve prompt, and when I create a good improve prompt, this is also an video for my, and this prompt are from the pretty prompt from AppSumo, $34 now into the offer. And this prompt are generating into the chat gpt already my in already my attach here to extension, Google extension. You can create your extension and improve your pretty prompt. And these prompt are all generally created in the chat gpt. If you clean your prompt into the pretty prompt are also enhance your prompt also. Even into the prompt generation video gen, there's also pretty prompt are enhancing. Copy this prompt, and dynamic promotional video showcasing Black Friday coffee maker. Here is the pretty prompt also. Look like this promotional video, or really this video are awesome for like this for any promotional video. And extend edit also, you can edit here. And here is the download option, you can download this from this the video for a short 33 or 4 second video. And mock-up video template, stock video, audio, graphics, digital template, photo, 3D fonts, and all a lot of you can generate. And unlimited generate you can here in the Envato marketplace on 1 year subscription. And I think this year, and again the November, the deals are coming, Friday Black Friday deal, you can generate again. I think this is the perfect deal for any can you can a influencer or digital enthusiastic. Please go with this the link and join here in the Envato marketplace. Thank you.